We've been a little MIA lately.
Yeah.
We've moved.
We moved. We have a new space. We have our own studio now.
New changes.
As you can tell, a little new scenery.
Yeah, I don't know about that though. How they're gonna. Yep. I can go for miles like this. Don't you worry.
Yeah, so we've kind of been, working on stuff, and that's why we've been.
I got you almost dropping it across the road too. That was pretty funny.
Babe.
It's shorter. I always need content, babe.
You make content for our podcast? Yeah. He made content. Thank you. And there's one out here too. Stop it. Babe. I'm gonna murder your ass. Yeah, he's not cheap.
Off camera for a while.
Yeah.
But now
We're back.